everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titilayo, and on this channel, I share recipes, tricks, hacks, business ideas that you can start from the comfort of your home, business conversations, and so much more. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. And if you've been a subscriber, thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop your kind comments. I'll be sure to reply to each and every one of them. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to cope as a business owner in this current economy, especially if you live in Nigeria. Because I know I have some subscribers that are not based in Nigeria, but this one in particular is for my Nigerian business owners. How are you going to cope with all of this price increase, the economic hardship, the inflation, and every other thing? That's what today's video is all about. I'm going to be sharing with you 6 tips that can help you thrive as a small business owner in this current economic situation. Number 1 is to price your products properly. So now is the best time to go back into your books, analyze your cost of production, your overhead cost, your labor cost, and your profits. Now, this is the best time to give your products a good profit margin so that it can accommodate the incessant increase in cost of your raw materials or whatever you are accruing back end. So if you have a good profit margin, you'll be able to accommodate all of this incessant increase. That means you will not be changing your selling price over and over and over again. So please go back into your books. Do not copy other people's prices. Go back into your own book and analyze your own selling price. Number 2, develop strategies that will work for your own business. Please, now is not the time to go and be copying other people's ideas, their strategies, or whatever they do. Go back into your own business. Analyze the products that you see that is fast selling. They are your best selling products. Look at them. Check your books, check your records. What's moving? What's selling? Then now take it up from there. That's when you will now realize that, okay, this is what is selling more in my own business. Let me advertise these products more. Please don't copy people's ideas. It's going to burn you. Like you're going to burn out if you try to copy other people's ideas or their strategies. You don't know how they came about that strategy or idea. You just want to run along with it. You're going to run to where I don't know. 3, as a cake business owner, this is the best time for you to diversify. Now, look into other product line. Small treats are going to move more this time because people can at least afford to indulge in all of those things. So you can look at donuts, milkshake, muffins, brownies, cookies, and a whole lot of all those small things that you can presentably package it and make sure that they are very, very presentable and mouth-watering. They are good products, of course. Then advertise it, market it vigorously. You don't want to now be shying away from, oh, people will think I'm not making enough cakes. Who cares? As long as you're making money. Please look into other things that would increase your product line and at the end of the day, increase your revenue because we're all about the money. Number 4, advertise your products and services like your life depends on it. My sister, now is not the time to be shy. You, as much as there is economic hardship, things are very expensive. People still want to keep memories. People are definitely still going to survive. So you need to keep on being top of mind so that by the time they are ready to probably indulge, celebrate, you are there at their beck and call. You are always in their faces. You need to intensify your marketing and advertising. Always show up. Don't get tired. Everybody is tired, down. Now is not the time to be tired. Please pick up the pieces of your business and market like your life depends on it. Advertise, market, spend money, time, energy, create content. This is the era of content creation. Create content, develop strategies that you would use to advertise. But make sure you keep being top of mind. When a particular product is needed, let it ring in their head that, oh, Most Cakery, they make the best brownies, you know? So please advertise your products and services like your life depends on it. Very hobby. 5, pick up a hobby. So sales is generally slow because things are expensive. People are prioritizing whatever they want to buy. Everything now is on a scale of preference, and sales is generally slow everywhere, almost everywhere. So don't kill yourself, don't bother yourself. If you've tried all of these strategies and sales is still low, go and pick up your hobbies. Anything you like to do, pick it up. If you like sports, if you like walking, if you like going out, please just pick up that hobby. Go and do it. Use that one to relax your mind. By the time you come back, you'll be refreshed. You cannot come and kill yourself. You're not the one that is controlling this economy, right? So go pick up your hobby, go back to it. If you like reading, watching movies, going out, picnics, pick it up and just live your life. You cannot come and kill yourself, right? Number six and the last one, create bundles from your product line. So if you sell donuts, why not add Zobo to it or milkshake? If you sell pastries, why not add some maybe yogurt? Just create a product line. If you sell banana bread, add yogurt. If you sell, create small products that are sort of a bundle that people can just know that, oh, okay, what if I take donuts and I use Zobo to step it down? That's not bad. So try and create bundles from whatever you sell to be able to reach a wider audience and sell, even if it is small packages. You're making money and that's all that matters at this moment. You don't want to keep running at a loss at this point because your bills are there. They're not going anywhere. You're going to pay them, right? I hope these few points help you to navigate your way through this economic situation that we found ourselves in. And I hope you thrive and survive this phase because it's a phase, it's going to pass. Till I come your way again next time, my name remains Titilayo. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you'll be a part of this family. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and of course, leave your comments. I'll be sure to reply to every one of them. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.